If you want to create a clean professional line graph in PowerPoint 2013, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a line graph step by step using the built-in chart tools inside PowerPoint. This is a really useful skill whether you're building a presentation for school, work, business, or a report, because line graphs are one of the easiest ways to show trends over time. And before we get started, if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint 2013 and go to the slide where you want to add your graph. Once you're ready, look at the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the tools for adding objects into your presentation, including charts, shapes, tables, and more. After that, click Chart. When you do, PowerPoint will open a chart selection window with different graph types available. Since we want a line graph, scroll through the options and select Line. You'll usually see a few different line chart styles, but for this tutorial, just choose the standard line chart that fits your data best. Once you've selected it, click OK. PowerPoint will now insert the chart into your slide and automatically open a small Excel spreadsheet on the side. This spreadsheet is where you enter your chart data. You'll notice sample values already filled in, and you can replace those with your own numbers. Just click into the cells and type in the labels and the values you want to display in your line graph. The horizontal axis usually represents categories like months, dates, or steps, while the vertical axis shows the values you want to compare. Take a moment to make sure your data is entered correctly, because whatever you put into that Excel sheet will instantly shape your line graph. If you need to add more rows or columns, you can do that right inside the spreadsheet as well. Once your data is entered, simply close the Excel sheet. You do not need to save it separately, because PowerPoint updates the chart automatically as you type. After you close the sheet, your line graph is now ready on the slide. From there, you can resize it, move it around, or customize the colors and title if you want to make it look even better. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a line graph in PowerPoint 2013 in only a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next PowerPoint tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.